Hi everyone, Wagwan, it's your girl Natalie. Have you ever been at the grocery store and seen plantains and wonder how to cook them? Well, you have the green plantains and the ripe plantains, and they're both cooked differently. When you cook the green one, it tastes similar to hash brown, whereas the ripe one, when you cook it, it has a sweet banana-like flavor. So in this video, I'll teach you how to cook them. Let's get started. I've gone ahead and preheated the frying pan to medium heat and covering the bottom of the frying pan with oil. First, we're going to start with the green plantain because it takes longer than the ripe plantain. So first, we want to peel the green plantain. A little hard to get out of the skin. And cut the slices in a horizontal slant. And we'll do the same for the ripe plantain. You'll notice the difference with the texture. Now we add the green plantains to the oil. Now that I added all the plantains to the frying pan, you will cook this for approximately 2.5 minutes or until the bottom half is brown. And there you go, it's brown. While that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and add the ripe plantain to the oil. So these have been cooking for approximately a minute and they're already brown on the other side. So flip, because you don't want to burn them. So these have been cooking for approximately a minute and they're ready. So I normally put them on a paper towel to get the excessive oil off. So now I'm going to check the green plantains, and these are ready to come out of the oil. Because as you see, the fork is able to go inside. Now that I've gone ahead and flattened like this, you add a little salt. To both sides, or to your liking, and add them back to the oil. For a minute to crisp. Okay, so it's been a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on the other side. Okay, they have been cooking for another minute and a half and they're ready. So plantains are normally served for breakfast, as you can see. Well, with the ripe one, it's pliable. Sweet, I love it. And the green ones are hard and similar to hash brown. Crunchy. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If Nat can do, so can you.